Good afternoon, comparación. When I was a child, I was silent and no. Now I am more talking and the chef. When I was younger, I had short hair, and when I more high and long and straight. I never known doing any sport, and now I love riding my bike. I used to live with my parents in the very big and beautiful house. Now, like in my apartment, and it's big, small, and very beautiful. I never thought my younger sister was more beautiful, pretty, and affectionate than my older sister. Bad moments. I never thought the most beautiful day of December was when my father arrived on the 24th with he for my sister and me. My sister was the beautiful head of the swimming group where on Sunday we used to swimming on the pool on the city pipe. My mom's loving father was take us the lunch on Sunday at the most beautiful and delicious restaurant in the city pipe and the spec ice cream on the bush. My mom, the struggling and mom's loving, used to calm my heart to go to school with very nice brides and friends, real like one I lucky. Worst moments. I remember that day, the 12th of February of the year 2020 and on as the silence of the light. When I had my first child, and yet when I was for moments old. I am the last punctual in the work because I get up in the morning to ride and bike and guest light. I remember that the most painful was when they took me to the doctor because my stomach would and the operant in appendicitis. And remember the most difficult day was when they called the month whom many were and cited the their days for died from their box.